today just finished the shooting of the podcast. We'll have a very busy day. I need to go for like some tasting for the launch of Maraya that's happening in the next 2 weeks. And then we will go to a cosmetic factory office that we probably need to check for making some operations for us to make it easier for the supply chain and the manufacturing part. So follow us for this journey. So yeah, actually we are traveling tomorrow. So technically we're going to Islamabad and few days to Gilgit-Baltistan that I'm so excited about. For me, I haven't came back since 2021 to the northern area of Pakistan, and there's many projects going there. There's even some potential investment opportunity that we are going to check. So you will see it in the next episodes. And today, so I needed to pack everything around the Maraya launch and also to be able to create as much content as possible for the channel. So today is a little bit, we are running all over the place. I've been having a podcast shooting this morning, then now we are heading to one of a potential partner that we maybe work with. It's a cosmetic factory that is building some amazing products here in Pakistan, and the idea to see how we can collaborate with like using Moroccan ingredients but maybe manufactured in Pakistan, because I really do believe that there is also a lot of things to do here in this country and build up new standards and align the cosmetic industry and the beauty industry with what's happening all over the world globally. So that's what I need to absolutely give a check, and the idea is to be able to build up world-class products with Moroccan ingredients in Pakistan to be able to supply the local market and also maybe the regional market. So yeah, stay tuned for this. I'm like so excited for that, and I will be keeping you updated on what's going on, how things are turning well or not well, and all the opportunities that maybe you can explore in this sector and also in this part of the world.
Is going to charge more, there's going to be more duty on it.
Right.
So again, it's easier if you bring in everything in parts and then you just fill it over here or assemble it over here.
Yeah, but the fill-in for a cosmetic business is just like finished product, but just like you put it in a final package.
You get a tube or anything and then you put the product inside. And it could also be formulation months of the whole cycle.
Process.
Yeah, of the whole cycle. So procuring the raw material, let's say in Morocco, shipping them is going to take 2 months, 60 odd days till we get here. Then we'll do our tests, then we'll do sampling. Then once the sample's confirmed from your end, then we do the physical testing to see if the product's okay, if there are any licenses that we need to get, if there's anything that we need to get tested in terms of.
This has brown sugar and it has apricot shell, you know, the almond of apricot. The inside. So, come on, Jean. Jeremy, come on, noyau. I'm like lost in the English word. You know the inside of the apricot, what we call it? Come on, noyau.
जो बीज होता है?
हाँ बीज होता है जो।
अच्छा।
What is it in English?
The seed inside.
Yeah, I know
The
the
seed.
seed. The
The
seed.
seed.
So it has apricot, one, and it has also almond shells. Not almond, sorry, argan shells.
Okay.
So it's a mix because argan, they are a little bit too harsh on the skin. So we mix it. We mixed it. As I told you, to introduce like the ritual of hammam. And it's good that I brought this. This is actually from a Turkish friend who is buying the whole set. But it's good that I can show you the final packaging. So this is the real product that's going to be sold. So this is the minimum
So we're looking.
we have to go for.
We're looking for
Minimum
the
standards.
Similar type of packaging.
I mean, we
Exactly the same packaging.
can. No, not
similar-
necessarily. But I need something that has to look premium, definitely.
Yeah.
You can open it.
Is this charcoal?
No, it's made out of the leftover of olive paste. So when we make the olive oil, the leftover is transformed to soap. And this is a traditional soap that has been used for centuries in Morocco. It's helped the skin to exfoliate, so remove all the dead skin. I think it's a product that you have never seen.
Yeah, we will see.
Well, this is the scrub. This is something that really people who knows
No.
can really use it.
So this is your hero product. Because
Exactly.
This is something-
I have this one. I have another version that I haven't brought. It's the argan version.
Okay.
So it's the soap. It's like very goldish, which has a really nice color.
Okay.
And
Why aren't we showing the color? Then why are you using tan or dark colored?
Actually, I
packaging?
want something classy and to have like a kind of a one set because I have a box that is gonna be like inside
Yeah,
like
I
this,
get that.
tack.
But wouldn't be better? My thoughts. If this was the argan one, and it was slightly golden, wouldn't I want to show people the
It's
color?
a golden thing.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I,
Maybe. I don't know. Actually, I thought of it as a whole.
and
As a
that
whole.
makes sense. It makes
As
sense
a whole,
well,
to
yeah.
make it like really something that makes sense as a set. So today I'm having a very special delivery to one of my dearest friends. It's one of the reasons why I moved to Pakistan. She's one of the boldest entrepreneurs I know. And we are delivering a special package to her. It's from the brand. And we are planning to launch it soon, but as she's a friend, she's gonna have it definitely now. Hello. I'm good.
Oh my God, there's a cameraman behind you.
Yeah, I'm now having like content creation all over the place.
How are you doing? Good
I'm
to
good.
see
I'm
you.
good.
Come, please, please.
Missing you,
Yes, I keep on seeing you on the video.
stuff, and meet you. I was like, we feel like we see each other, but we don't.
Please come have a seat.
I just have a 5 minute because Amjad is waiting for me in the car.
Oh,
He's
Amjad is here
so
too.
tired.
Oh,
I was
Lord.
like, I'm just gonna.
Would you like to have something?
No,
quickly? Are you sure?
yeah, I'll do it later. I'll do it later.
Anything?
I just came to really drop this for you because since
But
we are
Sara, I
told you we are traveling
You have
tomorrow.
to tell me how much it costs because then
I'll tell you.
I can give you the cash now or
I'll tell
online,
you.
whatever you're comfortable.
So this is the black soap that we use, you know, for before the Kessa glove.
Yes, I know. I love it.
This is I think you guess, you
yes,
know.
I used it and I loved it.
And this is we have the body
The
scrub.
samples you gave me.
Yeah,
So I was like, I need more.
this is the body scrub. This is for the hydration. I mean, you can take both or one of them. You'll
Perfect.
see what you feel like, and it's all like with argan, organic argan oil, and so I have a small thing that I send by air, but the other main stock
you
is
told
still in
me,
Karachi. Yeah,
Yeah,
still
I
in
tried
Karachi.
your dry oil as well. I really liked it. I'll take all of them, Sara.
Thank you. You are my second
And
self.
this is the lotion.
Lotion, exactly. It's the body lotion.
This is the black soap,
I
this
leave
is the
this for
scrub.
you.
Okay.
Actually, the packaging is still. I mean, I have a really nice
fine.
box,
Don't
but
worry.
next time I'll
This
get you the
looks
box.
beautiful. This looks like
it's like
something
hidden
very
things.
hidden and special. is
Very
coming.
hidden. That's why, like, yeah, I was like, maybe I need to make it. I need to make many deliveries like this and to
Yes,
create the
I
teaser.
agree.
the
Or
teaser.
maybe you can even like give your little this logo over here. I like it. Why not? How are you
I'm
doing?
happy that you love it.
Good.
Actually, it's been just very
Crazy?
intense. Very intense. I guess that you're having the same life.
Business is intense.
It's very intense, and it's not getting better. I feel like
It's
the
gonna
more you
get more-
grow,
it's
it's
gonna
gonna
get more intense.
go
Enjoy
more
the
intense.
intensity.
But I feel like, yeah, just like this last 3 weeks, we just like came back 3 weeks
Yeah,
ago, but I
I
just
saw.
need to manage all
But
the
soon-
packaging, the
soon it's
launch,
all
and
getting
yeah,
done, yeah?
actually normally we will be do the launch event, inshallah. I'll keep you updated 15th of November.
Okay, done. Let me know.
Normally it's gonna
I'll be here.
normally you'll be here.
But yeah.
So yeah, so just like trying to manage the event management, the decor, the food. I was in
Where
a
are you planning to do the launch?
in our house.
Oh,
We have
okay.
actually a small garden. It's
Okay.
like it can go up to 100, 150 people.
Makes sense, perfect.
And I want to create a kind of a Moroccan night vibe
Oh wow, nice.
with
I'm
Moroccan
looking
tea.
forward.
Yeah, and create also a kind of a fusion of the Pakistani traditional style and the Moroccan traditional thing, and create something that
If you
is
need
like very nice.
Any help, anything, let me know.
So now I'm like into the decor quotation part. Oh, he's here. He
okay.
couldn't,
Couldn't
stop
stay in the car.
stay in the car.
Yes.
Like, I'm so tired. Oh, I haven't seen you, Ali. I thought that someone is working. I
we're
haven't
working.
even
You forget
like
it.
watched who's there. I just like was 100% with you.
Yes, this is.
But I love it. I love it. I love it. I love this
Dilemma for 3 hours.
entrepreneurial thing. It's like a lot of things happening, and this is what makes it fun and interesting. We're closing finally this very long day. It was really busy, but I'm so happy that I got many things done on my checklist. Mainly it was Maraya, but also some personal brand projects and some Wasl podcasts also. So follow us for the next episode because the launch is like only 2 weeks away and it's gonna be really something on the preparation. See you soon.